The absolute best time at Disney's Magic Kingdom is the evening time. So we are leaving my hotel and headed to Magic Kingdom for a special evening of fireworks and a lot of fun. Let's get into it. All right, had a nice rest and we're back and headed to Magic Kingdom. Let's go. This time we're doing an evening style, headed in to do the fireworks. So my first stop is coffee. I'm gonna get a sweet coffee drink. That'll be my treat. Plus, it'll keep me awake. The thing about Disney's theme parks is you pay to play, so I'm getting my money's worth out of this trip. Tomorrow is a rest day, so for today is a play day. Play day. Let's see if I can actually. At least I have sisters who want cotton candy and caramel apple or candied apple or something, so I can come over here on Friday before I leave and get it. Alright. Okay. Gotta find the coffee. People are already posting up for the fireworks. Main Street Bakery. I feel like I should have brought my cup. Excuse me. Friends have been here. Just kept walking until there was nowhere else to walk. So here we wait. So it is 8:07. I got here at just the right time. All these people are about to have to stand up. I'm excited because I'll be able to see the Main Street projections a little bit, as well as the castle. My goal is to always stand in front of someone who's not taller than me, but that rarely ever happens. But we'll make do. It's wild, and I have to stand up, and my feet are tired, but we're okay.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the story, the losses and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Disoriented, which is surprising. I think we're gonna go for Dumbo. I really wish I was brave enough to do Astro Orbiter, but man, that nearly took me out the last time I did it. Let's see. I'm actually feeling Little Mermaid, so let's find the Little Mermaid. I'm looking and the lines are not bad. I'm not gonna do Small World. Big Thunder Mountain's only 30 minutes. I'm not gonna do Astro Orbiter. Oh, can't handle it. Small World 10, Jungle Cruise 25, which is fun to do at night. Aladdin's Magic Carpet Ride is 5 minutes. Who is 30. The People Mover, 5 minutes. There's a lot I can do. Then I might try to end with Under the Sea, see if it's open later. So we're gonna do the carousel and then head on over to Tomorrowland. Here we go. under the sea is currently a 15-minute wait. I don't think I want to double back over here. So I'm going to go and ride it and then head to Tomorrowland and then maybe end the night with Aladdin and Jungle Cruise. So it's like turning into a full park evening. And here we're going to cut straight through to the ride with a dip to Blackwater, cross to Oval, a nice transition.
In a quite different. My story's not near as interesting as Ariel's. You know Ariel, the mermaid? Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you of an evil secret trick Ariel's voice played.
It's off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land get happy, but they said, "Good, what's this? You've got from me." Even the sturgeon and the rain, big in the rain is like the rain. We got to steer it, you got to hear it, I'm gonna see it. Rolling through the cocktail, the bass play, the bass, the song, the chop, the bass play, the grass, the chop, play the top. The fluke is the duke of soul.
Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the seas. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon.
The Russians so bad at this. Okay, Buzz Lightyear was a success. We have one last ride of the night. Okay, I guess we have no last ride of the night. People Mover is closed. My Astro Orbiter line looks short, but it's gonna be 20 minutes, so whew, my feet are hurting. I really wanted to see Tron at night, but I guess we're just gonna head back to the hotel, and that is okay. All right, friends, that is it for tonight. We're ending the video here at Magic Kingdom. Thank you so much for being a part. It has been a beautiful day, so much fun. 2 parks, fireworks show, 2 fireworks shows within 24 hours. I have had a blast. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all, we had so much fun today. So much fun. It was beautiful. I've got the castle behind me. The fireworks were amazing. I just enjoyed the night, bouncing around, doing whatever rides I could find. I had so much fun. I hope that you had fun too, watching and joining on my evening adventure. So this was just so gratifying. I had the perfect view for the fireworks because I could see the whole castle, and it was like right between the people, so I could see everything perfectly clearly, which never ever happens. And it was just really enjoyable. So I always underestimate the amount of time that I'm gonna need here, and I'm late, but I got here at the perfect time, had my little coffee that saw me through, got to do some of my favorite rides, so I get to end the night here. Look at that beautiful castle. So this is the perfect way to end the day. Epcot, shopping, fireworks, like so much more fun than I anticipated. My legs are tired, my feet are hurting, but I am happy. It has been such a fun trip so far. Tomorrow we have a chill, relaxing day. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to keep coming along for my Disney adventures. And from the Magic Kingdom, good night, and I'll see you in the next video.